I'm Anatoly, and today I'm going to tell you about wormholes. So, what if we could control space and time? In fraction of seconds, we could go here, or come to here, or again go to here, or come back to here. It would be pretty cool. But then, is it really possible in the real world? Can we control space and time together in just one thing? So, I'm going to tell you about wormholes. Wormholes are such instruments or such big pieces of space-time curvature that could help us to control space and time at the same time. We could come into most distant places. We can shorten the distance between the two distinct places of the universe, and that would be really cool. It is also a connection between past, present, and future. That's amazing. That's really, really cool. Of course, but then, is it really possible to make space-time curvature tear? So, I'm going to tell you about these things. Through this coffee cup and this ring. Okay, so here's a coffee cup and here is a ring. So, to any person, this would be a simple two different things of two different shapes. But actually, they are the same, a little disguised. The familiar thing between the ring and the coffee cup is the loops they have. And this means, according to Einstein, the coffee cup could turn into a ring and ring could again turn back into coffee cup without changing up the hole. That would be amazing. But then, is it possible to change the shape somehow? For this, to one of the loop, we have to break down one of the loops. Now, this is the ring with no holes, and that makes it amazingly different than the coffee cup. According to Einstein, this was not possible. He said space, time could bend, could warp, could ripple, but then it cannot tear it all. We don't have anything that could tear space-time curvature. But then, this was the only way to make a wormhole. Let me explain you through this paper. First of all, we'll make the universe to a more manageable size. And that is nothing but the size of this paper. So then, how could this happen? Now, the marked points are two black holes, and the white paper is nothing but space-time fabric. According to Einstein, the space-time fabric could warp, but to make a wormhole, the 2 points should get interconnected. But for that, we have to tear up the paper, and this was not possible in the universe. Einstein said that a space-time curvature could warp, but it cannot tear its fabric to make wormhole. Wormholes may be somewhere fully formed, but we cannot make one by ourselves. So then, what to do? How are we able to control space and time? So, let's shrink out to millions of a billion size of your size. You reach in the quantum world, a world filled with quantum physics. There, space-time curvature is random and chaotic. Rips and tears are really commonplace. But then, why? What is the thing that is stopping us to make the wormholes? They are the strings. String theory says that even if the space-time curvature is chaotic and random, rips and tears are commonplace. But then still we cannot make wormhole, even if we can tear it, because when a tear happens in space-time fabric in quantum world, the strings form a bubble, and then they recover the space-time fabric. And this is the thing that takes us away from making a wormhole. So then, what can be the ways to create a wormhole? Wormhole, some people believe that black hole is the entrance of wormhole, and the other side is the white hole. This is often known as Einstein-Rosen bridge, because Einstein was the first one to think of it. So, people say that if you enter a black hole through singularity, you go to parallel universe. That means the same. There are the parallel universe, and our universe is the connection. The connection between parallel universe and ours is a small black hole. So some people believe that falling in a black hole could take us to another universe. But then, is it true? We don't know the other side of the black hole. So, because people believe in this because space-time curvature bends a lot when you have a black hole. A lot. So then, some people believe that because of heavy mass, the space-time fabric could be torn by the black hole. But then, we never know is this possible. But if it is true, then I believe that today or tomorrow we are able to control space and time. Thank you so much.